Hello guys, how are you? My name is Nazanin, but my nickname is Jenny, and you can call me Jenny. This video is my first video for my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. In this video, I want to learn that how to make thumbnails for your YouTube, and it's so easy and free. And just you need a phone, and you don't need any laptop, any computer, or iOS. If your phone is Android, it's no matter. But totally in my channel, I will speak about everything. I will teach English. I will speak about all the country in the world and speak about all the notes that is so important for all the beginner and all the YouTuber. And you can also use just a phone as a beginner. And some of them people think that at first they should have laptop, computer, and lots of another things, but you don't need any of these are. Just you need a phone. If you have phone, everything is okay. And if it's not important that you have iOS or Android, both of them is okay. And at first I want to say and I teach that how to make a thumbnails, as thumbnails and covers is so important for all the beginners and all the YouTubers. First of all, I will teach. If you wanna make a cover or thumbnails or something other for YouTube, you can download PicsArt. PicsArt is a good app for YouTuber and some other as a beginner. I select under it's okay. And now I should write a text that I want to write in my thumbnails. I should choose text here and write things that I want. For example, I want to write that how to make firsties. easy. Just I should change that color. For example, I want this gray, and it's finished. And now you made a thumbnail. Okay guys, I learned you that how you can make a very good and easy and free thumbnails for your YouTube video. If you enjoyed from that, please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to subscribe for more video. Goodbye.